Hello DIY Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and if you're new here, welcome. Now in today's video I am going to be showing you some glam high-end Christmas ornament DIYs. Now if you want to see what we're going to be doing for this Christmas 2021 DIY, stay tuned, but please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notifications. Alright family, let's get this Christmas 2021 DIY started. Now DIY Glamettes, for today's DIY, we're going to be using quite a bit Dollar Tree items. So we're using the Dollar Tree clear ornaments, and these came 2 in a pack. We're using the Dollar Tree large ornaments. We're using the Dollar Tree oval shaped ornament. We're using the Dollar Tree light bulb ornament. Also supplies from the Dollar Tree. We're using that Dollar Tree sea glass, and we're also using, I got to get it, the Dollar Tree faux snow. And then also I have some beacon glitter it. I ordered that from Amazon. We're using Walmart Suling ultrafine glitter in silver, Suling's ultrafine glitter in white, and Hobby Lobby iridescent flakes glitter, and also Hobby Lobby silver glitter as well. I will total down the brooches, and we have several different brooches. I hope you like these 12 glamorous high-end Christmas ornament DIYs. And if you haven't subscribed to the Glam Queen of DIY, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.